You're rushing out the door to get your kid ready for school, you're trying to get breakfast on the table, get them dressed, and still squeeze in some last-minute prep time. Your current setup is basically a mess. Cables everywhere, wires jumbled together, and that one speaker is just not doing it justice anymore. But then you see it sitting there, all sleek and quiet, like a superhero waiting to save the day. The Onkyo TX-RZ50 92-channel THX AV Receiver. This thing packs a punch, up to 11.2 channels of processing power that deliver enormous sound on demand. With DIRAC Live Room Correction technology, you get improved musical staging, clarity, and deeper bass out of the box. One of the coolest things about this receiver is its HDMI out options. You've got 3 of them, which means you can connect up to 3 4K sources at once. Perfect for those who love gaming or streaming. No more juggling cables or worrying about which device is getting priority. The TX-RZ50's got your back. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this really worth the investment? Well, let me tell you, once people try this, they stop reaching for their old receivers. This thing is a game changer. Imagine using it tomorrow morning to watch your favorite movie with family and friends, surrounded by crystal clear sound and 0 distractions. That's what you're getting with the Onkyo TX-RZ50. But what really sets it apart is its THX certification. That means this receiver has been rigorously tested for its audio fidelity and quality, ensuring that every nuance of your music, movies, and games is highlighted to perfection. No more settling for mediocrity. This receiver delivers the best sound money can buy. The TX-RZ50 is not just about raw power, either. It's also designed with practicality in mind. With its sleek design and compact size, you can easily fit it into even the smallest home theater setups. Plus, its user-friendly interface makes it a breeze to navigate and control. So what are you waiting for? Picture yourself upgrading your entertainment setup with the Onkyo TX-RZ50 92-channel THX AV Receiver. Think about all the times you've wanted to get lost in an immersive audio experience. That's exactly what this receiver delivers. You're ready to elevate your home theater game and take control of the sound quality once and for all. Get ready to rock out with the Onkyo TX-RZ50 92-channel THX AV Receiver. Available now at link below.